Wanderlei Silva was a Brazilian mixed martial artist and former UFC light heavyweight champion, known for his aggressive fighting style and powerful strikes. Born in Curitiba, Brazil, Silva began training in karate and judo at the age of 14. He quickly became a force to be reckoned with, winning numerous championships in Brazil before making his way to Japan to compete in the highly competitive Pride Fighting Championships. Silva was known for his relentless attacking style, often overwhelming his opponents with a barrage of punches and kicks. He earned the nickname the Axe Murderer for his brutal knockout victories and was one of the most feared fighters in the sport. Despite his reputation for violence, Silva was a dedicated family man and a devout Christian. He was deeply spiritual, often praying before and after his fights. Silva's career was full of accomplishments, including a long reign as the Pride middleweight champion. He dominated the division for years, racking up impressive victories over some of the biggest names in the sport. But Silva's reign as champion was not without challenges. He faced numerous tough opponents and had to overcome adversity to remain at the top of his game. Despite the challenges, Silva always persevered, showing the same determination and ferocity that made him a legend in the sport. In the end, Silva retired with a record of 35 wins, 17 losses, and 1 draw. Cementing his place as one of the greatest fighters of all time. He will always be remembered for his brutal fighting style and indomitable spirit.